Seeking knowledge about how to make money online? You need to watch this video. Making money online can be as easy as just putting your mind to doing it. The only items you might need are a computer and an internet connection. These suggestions are a great place for you to begin. Be careful about online income scams. Although there are many opportunities online, there are some dishonest sites as well. Make sure you read reviews and all the fine print before committing to anything. You will need ID to make money online. A lot of companies will want the same type of ID as you would show a tangible employer. If you do not currently have your ID on digital file, make sure you get them before applying to make the process quicker. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Never pay money to obtain work online. Legitimate work online should pay you, not the other way around. If a service is charging you to provide you with work opportunities, chances are they are just playing middleman and providing links that are available for free if you know where to look. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a non-profit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. These suggestions ought to assist you in getting an income from the internet. The more time you take to learn, the better prepared you will be when you begin. Learn everything you can to help prepare you for great success. Student loan,